बाणावलेचो हेवीवेट राजकीय फुडारी चर्चिल आलेमावाक गोंय फुटबॉल असोसिएशन अध्यक्ष पदावयल्यान काडचो पडलो. 16 मे 2019 ह्या दिसा आलेमावाक 70 वर्सां पुराय जाल्ल्यान उच्च न्यायालयान ताका काडून उडयलो. तशेंच जीएफएची 3 फेब्रुवारी 2019 ची दुरुस्ती न्यायालयान ह्या वेळार रद्द केली, अशी म्हायती आदवोगाद धवल झवेरीन दिली.
GFSच्या इश्यूच्या आज ऑर्डर येवपाची आशिल्ली.
No, the order matter was concluded for arguments yesterday, and we were notified that the matter is fixed for judgment today at 2:30. So the petition apparently is allowed by the honourable judge, and it is declared that the amendment carried out on 29th July 2018 is upheld. The amendment carried out on 3rd of Feb 2019 is rejected. As a result of which the age bar of 70 years shall come into effect, and consequently I as a president will have to demit the office. What is also further observed and directed by the Honourable High Court is that whatever decisions are taken by me or as a president or as a member of the committee during my tenure shall not be questioned in future proceedings. We had sought for the stay of the operation and the effect of the judgment, but the Honourable High Court was pleased.
Churchill ceases to be the president of Goa Football Association with effect from today. And first of all, I would like to thank Sakal Football Club, the petitioners in this case. They have done a great service to Goan football. They have restored the sanctity and protected the integrity of the constitution of GFA. Munis Kedlor also. Association is bigger than any individual, and the constitution is the holy book of any association. It cannot be trampled upon, it cannot be subverted, and today after 3 long years we have filed a petition in 2019. After 3 long years we have got justice, but it's better late. Justice is better late than never, and I would congratulate all the people who stood by Salset FC, all some of my executive committee members, clubs, well-wishers. They all fought this battle together, and finally we have got justice.